Hello everyone, how are you all? Friends, today I have taken a question of my subscriber in this video in which he has asked that how is person change after Kundalini awakens. Friends, I have told you about Kundalini Shakti in my earlier videos, but all that is told in Hindi. Let us know first what is Kundalini Shakti. Friends, we are understanding about the powers of the seven chakras in our body. In the same way, a power greater than these seven chakras is Kundalini Shakti. Friends, just as our body is based on our backbone, our spine, which is called the spinal cord, just as the base of our body is our spinal cord, similarly in spirituality we know the spinal cord as Kundalini Shakti or Sarpini. Friends, Sarpini in English means a female snake and Shakti means power, the power of knowledge. It has great importance in spirituality. In spirituality, we believe that Mother Adi Shakti, who is the divine mother of the entire universe, is the divine mother Adi Shakti. The same divine mother Adi Shakti is Sarpini or Kundalini Shakti. This Shakti is located in the root chakra in our body. Our Kundalini Shakti is sitting with three round circle. We can also say that this Shakti resides in us. When it awakens, it stands upright like our spine. Its head spreads over our head like an umbrella and protects us, and part of the tail is connected to our root chakra. What what kind of changes happen in a person after Kundalini awakening? Let us try to know. Friends, after Kundalini, after awakening the Kundalini Shakti, there are very positive changes in the person. Amazing internal energy flows in the person. It does not show changes in our physical body. Whatever changes occur internally after awakening the Kundalini, you experience an amazing power of energy inside yourself. They they feels satisfied with their entire life span. They feel satisfied with their entire life span. They feel happiness and bliss inside themselves in every situation. That is why they are able to give happiness to others also. After awakening the Kundalini Shakti, the person spiritually awakens immense energy and bliss. The door to a new dimension opens. The person directly connected to the energy of the universe and feels the energy of the universe inside themselves. Friends, we have energy of six chakras. The six senses work inside us, but after awakening the Kundalini, one begins to experience a new energy, which is very powerful energy. In practice, a person becomes very calm. One will not be overly happy in happiness and will not be distracted in times of sorrow. They starts getting away from the five evils or disorders inside them, such as anger, fascination or illusion, greed, jealousy, and lust. These five evils do not affect them. Their routine are simple and their food becomes pure itself. They mostly likes to spend time in solitude. In those people comes the power to speak the truth, to speak, to accept the truth, and to support the truth. Such people experience spiritual love inside themselves. They feels their God inside themselves. They experience true love. They are spiritually they are spiritually capable of healing and counseling. They helps those who are under depression. They are able to give peace to negative people by their positive energy. The bad person also starts to calm down in contact with them and tends to be positive. After Kundalini awakening, the person easily identify false and pretentious people without speaking and without meeting. That is why they stay away from such people. These people imagines creative work in their mind and new work uh, innovative works and arts are seen by them. Their work shows amazing fullness and beauty. Among uh, along along with this, they get some divine qualities, some supernatural powers are attained by the universe through Mother Kundalini Shakti, who is our Divine Mother. And what is most important is that one gets deep knowledge of the world towards themselves and towards the universe, which we truly call awakening. Friends, the power of knowledge is greater than all powers. Due to this knowledge, they get even greater powers, such as cosmic organisms, telepathy, astrology, energy reading, healing, seeing aura. These types of psychic gifts. Through these knowledge and powers, they are able to do a healthy and positive counseling, healing of a person who living in depression. Friends, when I get the order of the universe, I also do this work such as energy reading, healing, and counseling. The rest of the time I focus on my meditation, and I have to give time to my family as well. And I also make videos for you guys. I hope my subscriber has found their answer. Friends, if you like this video of mine, please like, comment, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.